It is true. Yes, you need assist. But even if you don't assist, it's God given to help. That's the fact of the matter. Well done.
Former Governor, the People's Democratic Distinguished Senator Adolphus Wabara, and other members, Speaker Rivers Ojambo.
Your Excellency, thank you very much for the introduction. On behalf of the Board of Trustees of this great party, I want to thank you for the warm reception thus far. In the first place, for even accepting for us to come in here today. And speaking as the conscience of the party, having observed all protocols, by introduction, I want to take that as protocol, Your Excellency, is that we, the board of this party, came here in search of peace and unity of the People's Democratic Party. We've been reading all kinds of things on the pages of newspapers and on the internet for those who are internet savvy. But we, as elders of this party, decided to come to hear from the horse's mouth. Because some of us, even including myself, we carry all these phones, we don't even know the functions, But then when we hear, from directly, then we will know exactly what the position is. First of all, we want to thank you for still being there, because this party should not be allowed to die. And that is for that very reason I'm thanking you on behalf of my colleagues. And if you can see, it's not from one geopolitical zone. We are well represented nationally, here. We were scared, sir, when we heard or read, speculations, perceptions, and what have you, that the party, if we're not careful, might lose Rivers State. Of course, if we lose Rivers State, then Nigeria has lost the future. Nigeria has lost its future. We don't want what happened in 2015, 2023 to repeat itself. These men and women you see here are very neutral. But as the conscience of the party, we must go by the rule of law. And anything you do going by the rule of law can never be wrong. It may be delayed, but it can never be wrong. Kamala Harris recently said, if you want to know who someone cares for, you look for who they are. They fight for. That's Kamala Harris. If you want to know who someone cares for, you should look out for who they care for. We know you are caring for this party. And that is why you've been so patient. That's why you've been so patient all along to take all the, I don't want to describe it. Otherwise, I say governor. We have a former governor here. I doubt if he would have taken as much. And we have some other governors, Governor Wodo, and those who aspire to be governors. So on behalf of this party once again, let me thank you for your resilience, your wisdom, and for the fact that you are still in this party. And to assure you that the Board of Trustees, under my watch, and with this serious-minded Nigerians, will deal with the matter as constitutionally allowed. You see, the problem we have, although we'll go into it later, the press are still here. It's nothing but, I have a written speech, but I think I cannot talk much because my colleagues are also, in fact, they're more, they have more things to say, than myself. You see, the problem we have here, as we know, I'm happy the Attorney General is here. He's the judiciary. But then that is a matter for another day. Sir, on behalf of my colleagues once again, let me thank you and appreciate you. We will hear when we go to what we call executive session. We will know what the problems are. We know. But hearing from the horse's mouth, we'll be able to know. But generally speaking, we are here to achieve peace and unity of the party and by extension of the nation. 2027 is for us to pick and win. But if we don't do it right now, we will not get it right. I rest my case. Thank you very much for listening.
I want to thank the chairman and members of the Board of Trustees. Honestly speaking, if I was having any doubt about my membership, first, of this great party, I think today I've gotten a reconfirmation. Not minding the drama around a member of this great party. And I want to thank you for taking all the troubles to come to Rivers State to see the governor and the supporters of the party genuinely. I need to use that word, genuinely. We that are here are members of the People's Democratic Party, undiluted. I'm also happy that for once, the leaders, the founding fathers, we can't take it away from Chief Bode George. We can't take it away from Aminu and another one. We were the ones who sat down, who crafted the Constitution, gave the name, nurtured it. It doesn't matter the number of people who watered it. And it became what it is. I'm happy that today they are with us here to discuss the issue of Rivers State. And I want to assure members of our party, genuine members of PDP that are here with us, that this is another hope to show that our decision to stand by the party, still standing by the party, is not the wrong decision. This visit is for one purpose. What is the problem? How did it start? Or would I say, what led to it? And how did it degenerate to what it is today? I would prefer that when we go to the executive section of it, I would then discuss it. I am very conscious of the importance of information. I know that a lot of information are flying here and there, but I know that whatever I've said anywhere, I have still maintained it. What I say, what I've said in Abuja is the same thing I say in Port Harcourt. If I've had any encounter with anybody in Lagos, I don't think my story has changed. But so far, what is important this afternoon is that we are still members of the party, and the owners of the party have visited us. So for those people outside who are, would I say, carrying all sort of rumors and propaganda, at least this visit will rest those propagandas and to tell the world that we are and we still remain members of the People's Delegation. Let me thank you for coming. I assure you that everything you want to know and you want to hear, you will get it before you leave. Thank you, and may God bless you.
CBS. We can cut off from there.
Shall we say that we don't